So today is the 9th of July 2021. Here's Ilotulitustie, Fyrverkerivägen 16. Staircase C, and I have been in the staircase B already, and we got the code, so we can also go to the staircase A here. Let me just show you one thing before we write it. This door here, just 1998 on the top. I think this residential building was finished in late 1998 because it has these folding unit doors.
Yeah.
Dropped hydraulic. If it was the earlier 1998, maybe this wouldn't have had any doors at all.
Yeah.
1998 indeed. Turning 25 is older than 2023, but it will be inspected in next year, 2022. And the serial number is 55457. Capacity is 4 pairs, so 25 grams. Stick a ride in it. It's dropped hydraulic.
Yeah.
But these inner doors are a bit unnecessary.
Yeah.
You can still see a bit through them.
Yeah.
Well, it's not too slow.
Yeah.
Is it right? Press.
Ja, jos teet palkki sitten, mä teen tuon.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch the staircase B here, and then the staircase A as well. Yeah, that's very fresh.
That's